Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think we're going up. I still believe this move down was a crescent, and I still think we're going to go up to at least one of these higher fib levels to finish off what may or may not even be a wave 5. It definitely could end up being a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe that this move down was an ABC correction, which was a correction to this move up. I think the correction is already over. I think this move down is a correction to this last wave up. I believe that this is just going to keep on going, probably a 1, probably a 2, and probably a wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see clearly that it had a five-way pattern for what I think is an A. I think this middle section is a correction for the B, and then it had a nice five-way pattern for the wave C. And then I think that was the end of a correction, and it made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, wave 1. I think this is all a correction to the downside, wave 2, which I'm not even sure is over yet. It very easily could go down more before it ends up going up to make that wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do think this is an uptrend, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a wave 1. I actually think this is like the triple zigzag pattern for the 3 waves down for a W, 3 waves up for an X. It kind of looks to me like it's making 3 waves down for a wave Y, or at least it needs to. This looks like a trend which may even be over. I think there's a chance we may go up and make a wave B, and this is going to be a wave A, and then it's going to go down one more time to make a wave C of wave Y before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. Probably a 1, probably an ABCD, or a WXY, of wave 2, and then eventually go up for a wave 3. So taking it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a trend right here. And there's a very good chance if this breaks structure that we are going to make a pretty decent sized move to the upside, like an ABC, and then probably end up going down again. I do not think that the trend is over on the DXY US dollar index, which tells me that the trend is probably not over on this one, and that I should primarily still be looking for shorts, especially at the end of ABC corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.